Vocabulary for the theatrical mask-making process. When I make a mask for a stage production, I begin by studying the costume designer's rendering. If they've provided any research images, I take a look at those as well. First, I make a maquette, a small sculpture of the mask, like a 3D sketch. Then the designer and I discuss what the actual mask should be like, using the maquette as a reference. Should we see the performer's eyes? Should the features be larger or smaller, more cartoonish or scarier, and so forth? With the maquette feedback from the designer in mind, then I make a full-size version of the mask called a matrix. In this case, I've used half a styrofoam wig head to represent the performer's face and sculpted on top of it with air-dry clay. If the mask needed to fit closely around the eyes, nose, and mouth, I might make a life cast of the performer instead of the wig head and sculpt the matrix on that. Consider what will support the mask on the performer's face. An elastic band? Is it attached to a hat? Mounted on glasses frames? A mask on a stick, like in this image, is called a vizard. Then I use the matrix as a kind of positive mold and create the mask over top of it with a medium like paper mache or thermoplastic. Lastly, I decorate the mask to finish it, in this case by painting with acrylics. Here we see the full progression, from the design rendering at top left, to the maquette sculpture, to the finished mask at the right. Maquettes are a helpful step in making full head masks, such as mascot heads, as well, like this paper maquette I made to test my pattern for a T-Rex head. Matrices are also helpful to create for mascot heads that require a rigid structure, like this rabbit head made from the thermoplastic casting mesh Variform.